Good day everyone, welcome back. So struggling with Temu's minimum checkout limit in 2025, that pesky $10 or higher threshold can be a buzzkill when you just want a smaller order. So today I'm showing you how to tweak it or ditch it entirely. So first, know the deal. Temu sets a minimum checkout, often $10 for free shipping or to cover costs. It varies by region. Posts on X say it's 35 in Australia, 20 in US, and can climb based on your order history. No direct change limit button exists, but you can work around it. So step 2, hit up Temu support, open the app and tap U at the bottom. Then the headset icon for support will appear. Scroll to contact us and tap remove minimum checkout limit to the chatbot. If it pushes back, it might say sustainability upgrades, insist politely or ask for a human agent. X users say this still works in 2025 for some. I got mine zapped in 5 minutes. Option 3, dodge the limit smartly. Check coupons under U, grab a $5 off deal to lower your real spend. Or toss in cheap fillers, think $1 stickers or cables to hit the minimum. Then cancel them, post checkout for a refund. Keeps your order low and shipping free, sneaky but effective. Step 4. You can also test it, add $5 item checkout and see if it flies. And that's how you change the Temu minimum checkout limit, ping support, use coupons, or finesse it with fillers. Like and subscribe for more Temu tricks, guys. See you in the next one.